Hello Rebecca, hello Ed. Love you. Right then, ladies and gentlefish. Hello. Oh, sport mode. I just wanted to do sort of a quick video on what this bike's like to ride at night, now that I've changed the angle of the headlights. Oh, there we go. As you can tell, I don't really use this bike often at night. I can already tell that the headlights need to go up a little bit more. The high beam I can't really see much, so yeah, I need to move these up a little bit actually. It's a very whistly night, isn't it, eh? I've got my daytime running lights on, haven't I? Oh no, oh right, okay, they were my lights. They're not full beam. What an idiot. Right, so my normal beam, which I thought that was, which is not, I don't think, no it's not. I had my daytime running lights on, I was wondering why I couldn't see. What a fucking idiot. Oh, those front brakes are fucking unreal now. Hell yeah, boy. I'm gonna take the fucking moto. So yeah, I didn't actually get to try out full beam then. We'll try it in a bit and see what happens. It's a little bit windy tonight actually. So that's my full beam. Right, okay. Cool. How fast this bike is just insane. Oh man, oh, it's just 0 to very quick, very fucking quickly. Oh man, oh them front brakes are so fucking good now. Yeah, this bike's an animal, man. I mean, even on road mode this thing is insane. But that then, I wasn't even full throttle. See, the headlight rake is miles better now. I know there was a few people that wanted to know what it was like now that I've changed it. And that normal headlight is a lot better now, so that's good. We will try out the full beam, I hope. So this is the normal beam. I've tilted it up. It's not too bad. I think it needs to come up a little more, in my opinion. I don't think the camera's going to do it much justice, to be honest, because you can't really see much at night on these cameras. There we go. But now we're into street lights. Oh, that's a cool lorry, isn't it? Hello, Mr. Lorry. Yeah, the lights are much better now in the dark. But before they were pointing right at the floor, I couldn't see a fucking thing, so that's better at least. Whoa! Whoa! Fucking hell! Okay. That is a fucking missile. The front wheel was just skipping off the floor and giving me a nice little wobble. Yeah, there's definitely a flat spot there though. Sort of 5,000 RPM, 4,000 RPM, there's a massive flat spot. Yeah. Yeah man, something kicks in at like 5.5-ish, 6,000 RPM. Oh, this thing's manic in sport mode, I love it. See if we can wheelie over this guy here. I wish I could get some actual videos of the wheelie because they don't really come out very well on camera. So full beam, let's have a look. I mean, yeah, that's lighting up quite a lot. It's lighting up a hell of a lot more than it was. I can see over there, although there are street lights. I don't know where there is around here actually, to be honest, that I can take full advantage of trying them out in a way. So yeah, night riding, really good. Could do maybe lifting the front lights up a little bit more, maybe like a mil, and then we'll be sorted with that. But everything else is sorted now. Front brake, phenomenal. Just, oh, it's got such a nice feel. Still don't feel too confident in cornering, just because of the temperature and the tyres and stuff. Oh my god, like that. Fell on the side of the tyre, then I felt like it was going to come out, but yeah, I don't like the feeling of the side of the tyre still on the bike. Maybe it's the temperature, I'm not too sure. Yeah, that back end, it's weird. Maybe it's just these tyres, the profile on them, but I just don't feel comfortable leaning it over. Right, anyway, I think I'm going to call it there, folks. Thank you so much for watching as usual. There's a can of fucking pop. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very, very soon, I'm sure. And until the next time, sort 'em out. Ta-ra.